Hello again, super agents. Chris here from Sellstate Alliance Realty. Now, no one has told you this yet, but your real estate marketing efforts are missing a vital piece. Are you struggling to expand your sphere of influence in real estate? Despite your best efforts, attracting new clients remains a challenge. Many agents wonder how to stand out and become the go-to choice for home buying. However, there's a strategy that could broaden your approach. With this method, you will leverage your network of contacts in a mutually beneficial way. You can do this by tapping into the influence of local professionals like painters, carpet cleaners, and roofers to expand your reach. Establish connections with these professionals and propose a win-win arrangement. Offer to promote their services in exchange for referrals to potential homebuyers. Implement this strategy to see your sphere of influence grow. This strategy will help keep you at top of mind for both existing and potential clients. A special shout out to our agent Shativa for inspiring this week's tips. Also, did you know that these video tips are just a sample of what you'll get in person at our free mentorship classes for all our agents? Comment below or message us for details on the next free class. So reach out to local professionals today and build partnerships that elevate your career. Don't miss out. Take action now and watch your business flourish. Remember, success begins here at Sellstate Alliance Realty.